Welcome to 365 days of Disney Plush and all that is Disney here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. And guess what? We have plush. We have puppet plush. Isn't that cute? And wonderful entertainment. Look at that. What a perfect day for 365 days of Disney Plush. About 68 degrees today. Look, you want to see? Look how cute. I'm a puppet. Yeah. So soft. I mean, like crazy soft. Only $24.99 too. So here's our plush for today at the beautiful, festive Animal Kingdom Park. Oh, hope you guys are having a great day. If you're liking these plush, please give me a like. I really appreciate it. And subscribe for some more Disney fun. We're not done with the plush, plus all of the Disney adventures, merchandise, shopping, everything. Events, parties, all that is Disney. So I will see you guys